In the quiet of a moonlit night, amid the echoes of history, the secrets of World War I whispered through the trenches. Sergeant Thomas Wilkins huddled close to the flickering candle, his weathered hands clutching a tattered map. The Western Front stretched out before him, a jagged scar across the European landscape, haunted by memories of blood and sacrifice. It was 1917, and the war had plunged the world into chaos. In the heart of the French countryside, where poppies bloomed amidst the ruins of ancient villages, a hidden truth lay buried beneath the mud and the barbed wire. Thomas had been tasked with a mission that defied the boundaries of conventional warfare, to uncover a secret that could alter the course of history itself. His journey began weeks earlier, when a cryptic message arrived at headquarters. A coded dispatch from an anonymous source spoke of a forgotten bunker deep within no man's land, where a cache of documents lay hidden. These documents purportedly held the key to a covert operation orchestrated by the highest echelons of power, a desperate gambit to turn the tide of war in favor of the Allied forces. With his trusted comrade, Corporal Jackson, by his side, Thomas embarked on a perilous trek through the desolate expanse of the front lines. They navigated through a labyrinth of trenches, their boots sinking into the sodden earth with each step. The stench of decay mingled with the acrid smoke of distant artillery fire, a constant reminder of the ever-present specter of death. As they ventured deeper into enemy territory, the landscape grew more desolate. Craters pocked the earth like scars, remnants of relentless bombardment. Yet amid the devastation, signs of life persisted. Rats scurried through the shadows, and wildflowers bloomed defiantly amidst the ruins. It was a stark contrast to the brutality that had engulfed the region, a testament to the resilience of nature in the face of mankind's folly. Finally, they reached their destination, a nondescript mound of earth obscured by tangled brush. With trembling hands, Thomas unearthed the entrance to the hidden bunker, a yawning chasm that seemed to beckon them into the depths of history. Inside, they discovered a trove of secrets meticulously preserved beneath layers of dust and decay. The documents detailed a clandestine operation known only as Project Prometheus. Conceived in the corridors of power, it outlined a daring plan to deploy a revolutionary new weapon, prototype of chemical warfare capable of unleashing devastation on an unimaginable scale. The Allies had stumbled upon the plans by chance, their discovery setting in motion a race against time to thwart the enemy's designs. But as Thomas pored over the faded blueprints and classified reports, a chilling realization dawned upon him. The true horror of war lay not in the trenches or the battlefields, but in the minds of men who wielded power without regard for the consequences. Project Prometheus was a stark reminder of the moral ambiguities that defined the conflict, a testament to the length to which nations would go in pursuit of victory. With the weight of their discovery pressing upon them, Thomas and Jackson made their way back to Allied lines under cover of darkness. The secrets they had uncovered would shape the course of the war, but their journey was far from over. As they vanished into the labyrinth of trenches once more, the echoes of history whispered through the darkness, bearing witness to the untold stories that lay buried beneath the scars of World War I.